Hello, this is Ian from Noobly, and today what we're going to do is have a look at Lastpass. It's a password management software that will help you improve your password security online. So what we're going to do is go into Google Chrome, because that's my default browser, and within Google Chrome we're just going to type in lastpass.com. And on the home page, they have Get Lastpass Free. We're just going to click on that. Now here's where you're going to create an account if you don't already have one. Assuming you don't, you just type in your email, and then it's going to ask for your master password. Now it's very, very important that this password is not a reused password. This is not a password that you've ever used. This is not a password that you will use again in the future. And you want it to be a very strong password, because it is the password that will essentially keep all of your other passwords safe. So just make it as strong as possible, and then put in a reminder that will help remind you, but won't help anybody else guess what that is. And so after that's done, you'll just confirm your password. And in the Get Lastpass, it's going to have you download Lastpass. Now, because I already have an account, I will just download Lastpass manually, just to walk through it. And I'll just hit the quick install button, and that's going to install the extension into Chrome for me. So I'm just going to add that extension. So now that it's added, you'll see this icon up here, just the three dots going horizontally. Once I click on it, it's going to ask me to log in. And so once that icon turns red, that means the login has been successful, and then it goes into a vault. And inside the vault has all of the passwords and secure notes. First time you run Lastpass, it's going to ask you to import any passwords that you have on your computer. Now, I would highly recommend you do that. Now, Lastpass is cloud-based, so you can access these passwords anywhere you're at, which is quite nice, rather than carrying around notebooks. But again, everything is dependent on the strength of the master password, and you must be able to remember that password, because you are going to be the only one that has access to that. It's also got a nice little feature within Lastpass. So the last thing here is just under more options, you're going to see a security challenge. I would recommend that you run that security challenge once you've imported your passwords, and what that's going to do is it's going to show you the strength of your current passwords, and it's going to help you to change weaker passwords and give you ideas as to how you can improve your online security. So hopefully this has been of some value, and thank you for reading the blog and watching the video.